Hi people, welcome back to our channel IAS Preparation on Wheels. Welcome back, I am Kranti. Today I am going to discuss with you regarding the UPSC and its types of services. In the previous video, we already discussed briefly about the UPSC, like its services and its role and its functions and appointment and removal or suspension of the members in the UPSC. And in the today's video, we are going to discuss what type of examinations were conducted by the UPSC. UPSC generally recruits the candidates through an examination, and after the examination, UPSC selects and appoints to these candidates for the different services in the Indian government. And we'll be discussing what type of examinations does UPSC conducts. Those examinations are like Indian Engineering Service Examination, Indian Statistical Service Examination, Indian Economic Service Examination, Indian Forest Service Examination, and Civil Services Examination, National Defence Academy and Naval Academy Examination, and Combined Defence Service Examination, and Combined Medical Services Examination, and Combined Geoscientist Examination. UPSC also recruits the Central Armed Police Force Service Examination, and it also recruits the Combined Limited Department Examination for the recruitment of the section officers grade and stenographer. UPSC also recruits the assistant commandants for the Central Industrial Security Forces. Now, in these type of examinations, we do have a very precious examination called Civil Services Examination. In this, through the Civil Services Examination, UPSC appoints for 24 services in our Indian government. We will be discussing each and every service. First type of category services are like All India services. Those are like Indian Administrative Service, Indian Foreign Service, Indian Police Service. The three type of services were included in the category of All India services. Next, move on to Group A services or Central Services. Those are like the Indian Post and Telecommunication Accounts and Finance Services, Indian Audit and Account Services, Indian Postal Services, Indian Revenue Services, Department of the Income Tax, Indian Revenue Services, Department of Customs and Central Excise, and Indian Defence Account Services, Indian Civil Account Services, Indian Law Services, Indian Trade Services, Indian Information Services, Indian Railway Personnel Services, Indian Railway Protection Force, Indian Railway Traffic Services, Indian Railway Account Services, Indian Defence Estate Services, Indian Corporative Law Services. These are the 16 services were included in the Group A services. And next category we are talking about Group B services. These services are also called as the state services because these are recruited for the union territories. And in these we have the 5 type of services. Those are like Delhi, Andaman Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli Civil Service. And next Delhi, Andaman Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli Police Service. And we do have Puducherry Civil Service, Puducherry Police Service. And next, fifth one is like Armed Forces Headquarters Civil Service. These 5 type of services were included in the Group B services category. UPSC recently started conducting a common preliminary examination for Indian Forest Service and Civil Services examination. And whereas mains examination for the two examinations has been different, but only the preliminary examination is commonly conducted for the Indian Forest Service and Civil Services. Generally, All India services consist of Indian Foreign Service only, but not Indian Forest Service. Indian Forest Service is a separate examination conducted by the UPSC. In the now it has been included in the Civil Services preliminary examination only, whereas both mains like for Civil Services examination and Indian Forest Service examination has different mains examination. You should have a clarity on this. As being a civil aspirant, we should have an idea about our Civil Services examination preparation journey. You know, in my view, step-by-step preparation will give you soon success. You know how I started my Civil Services examination preparation by knowing each and everything before I start reading about like polity, Lakshmikant and Ramesh Singh, economy. Before that I need to have a basics. So that is the reason I started following these steps. Like I am aspiring for the civil services, right, for the IAS, and these IAS, Indian Administrative Service, were included in the civil services examination, and these civil services examination were recruited by the appointment body called UPSC, and this appointment body where comes under the Indian administration, and these Indian administration got the powers from the Indian Constitution. Now I came to know that Indian Constitution to the administration will come to the appointment body to the UPSC, appointment body like UPSC, and UPSC conducts the civil services examination. And in the civil services examination we do have a category called All India Services. All India Services all recruits like services like Indian Administrative Service. So in the next video I am going to talk about the Indian Administrative Service, and this is going to be very much interesting, and seriously I am so excited to say with you or to share this type of information with you. And soon I'll be coming with that great video, and it will be very much informative. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you found it is very much informative and knowledgeable, and share with your friends. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to my channel, and please share with your friends and your family members also. And I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, keep loving, have fun, and let's explore and let's enjoy.